guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you a trick called the fan rollover by BryceStone715. That's his Instagram name. And I will show you the trick fast and then slow.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, so first what you want to do is hold it by the safe handle like this, and you want to fling out the bite handle, and this is going to be a vertical trick, not a horizontal. And what you want to do is bring it back down, use your thumb to rotate it like this. I'm going to show you again. So what you want to do is use the bite handle, fling it out right there, and then you want to fling it back down. Use your thumb to rotate it so it looks like this. And the second part is to do a vertical chaplain. So what you want to do is put the back of the blade against your index finger, and then you want to make it roll around like this, and you want to bring it back up. I'm going to show you how to do the trick again. So you want to hold it by the safe handle, and then you want to fling it out, and then back down, and then use your thumb to rotate it, and then you want to bring the back of the blade to your index finger, and then you want to do a chaplain, vertical chaplain sort of, and then bring it back up. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like this video, and oh, we might do a Q&A later, so comment down any questions you have that are super random or whatever. So yeah.